we wake, hear the birds and see the sun.
Hello beautiful people, it's Derryn here from Art by Derryn with another ArtStart DIY. Today we're going to make some collage art for self-love. Now, collage can be paper ripped or cut out and stuck down onto other bits of paper or onto canvas. It can also mean joining fabric together, or beads, or even simply doing a photographic collage on your computer. So today we're going to need some scissors, paper and glue, and ripped out pieces of magazines. I'm using the front here of an old scrapbook palette and this wooden holder that my alphabet came in from Bunnings. So I just thought this would be great to make these sort of little paintings in each individual one, but you can just use a foolscap piece of paper, computer paper and some magazine cutouts and go for it. And I'm just cutting out things that I love. Now what symbols mean to me and what they mean to you could be very different. This little miniature of Monet that I have could represent painting, but it can also represent nature. So it's very individual, each symbol, and symbols you pick today you may not pick again tomorrow. So just go with it, trust your instincts, but just put in symbols and images that you find pleasing, that you love. This is a great thing to do on Galentines Day or on Valentines Day, to give yourself a little bit of self-love and realise what you do actually love. And I'm going to leave you to enjoy the music and just watch me make this piece.
for better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore. 7 years now on this boat, and we all know where we belong. Just wait. For our home to show on the horizon, soon we'll be there. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore when we can't read the sky. We just sail with the wind that we've got. And when we're drowning in doubt, just keep on believing. We are dreamers of the shore.
Gonna let the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. And I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade, feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. Gonna let the past be filled with smoke, and I will try to fix what has been broken, and take this weight off my shoulders, cause I know yesterday ain't coming back. I'm gonna let the past stay in the cold. I will listen to the ocean, let its unsaid words be spoken, and I'll let my mind be carried by the waves. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade, feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. Will open up my eyes so I can see the
What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope. Fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away, standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one who has a heart as pure, no, not like yours. Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, well, you know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.